Hello, my name is Sierra Spratling, and this is my Psychology 112 presentation for the discussion board for this week. And this is a picture of myself. So, the job that I decided to research this week was counseling psychology. So, a counseling psychologist will usually work with people who have everyday, normal, hard life situations. So, the majority of situations that a counseling psychologist will work with will be relationship problems, which can include marital problems, family problems, friendship problems and relationships. And they can also discuss patients seeking life changes and career advice, academic advice, substance abuse. From researching this, most patients that people work with will suffer from a type of depression or anxiety. And what counseling psychologists do is that they help their patients implement behavioral strategies and emotional strategies so they can overcome these negative thoughts and emotions. And a big difference, though, that needs to be understood is that counseling psychologists do not work with people who have severe mental disorders or illnesses. That's a clinical psychologist's job, and people usually get the two confused, a counseling psychologist and a clinical psychologist. But counseling psychologist, again, doesn't work with people with severe mental disorders that are on heavy medication. A clinical psychologist will work with those type of people and are actually able to prescribe those type of drugs to them. But again, counseling psychologist usually works with everyday life problems. So for education, the required education to become a counseling psychologist usually starts with a bachelor's degree in general psychology, usually. And then to get a master's, most places, jobs, and other places you're applying for will want you to get a master's because you need to get licensed to be a counseling psychologist. And then there's a different variety of programs that you can apply within counseling psychology and emphasize in one. And again, PhD is always a great option because you can emphasize even more in an aspect of counseling psychology and go into research. And then with that, you are very specialized in that area and you can help people very much in those areas that you specialized in. So for my education plan, right now it's my 5th semester. I plan on graduating in the spring of 2020. My degree is general psychology. So after I graduate, I do want to go get my master's. I'm leaning to more of counseling psychology right now. So I don't know if I want to apply right after I graduate because I don't know if I want to shadow different people in different fields of psychology or internship. So I'll see where that takes me before I decide exactly what I want to master in. And that's my plan as of right now. So we'll see where life takes me. And so why psychology? So the reason why I chose psychology is because I really do have an interest in helping people overcome negative emotions and behaviors and actually helping them implement positive ones. I think my mission really helped me with that, and something that I've always seen in myself is I love working with youth. I've gotten chances to coach basketball teams and volleyball teams of junior high kids and high school kids, and I think there's such a need for coaches or any other people in leadership positions to have an understanding of human behavior and thinking, because I've been in situations where leaders who try to motivate people do it the wrong way and they actually can manipulate people and hurt them. So I think there's such a need for people to understand the basis of human behavior, thinking, and motivation. But as we compare this to chapter 13 of our textbook, I feel like I did have the same response as I have a strong interest in the subject of psychology because of the reasons I just stated just previously. Then also, I think a general psychology major is a good undergraduate degree to prepare me for a graduate or professional degree. So again, I don't know exactly what I want to master in, but I think general psychology as a major will be a great major for me to decide what I want to emphasize in. And this is my reference, but thank you for listening. Have a great day.